Biology is no longer what it used to be 200 years ago, where you would just go out, collect flowers, and press them in a book and call it good. There's much more to it today. The plant pathology is much like human or animal pathology. Pathology itself means studying diseases. So originally it's derived from the Greek word of pathos, which means suffering, loosely translated. And that's what pathology is. We try to figure out why living things suffer. As you might know, plants have parts that grow, if this is the ground level, they have parts that grow above ground, and they have also parts that grow below ground. Now we know a lot about what's going on above ground because these parts are easily accessible. You can see what's going on, but it's a bit more tricky below ground. And now that's kind of where the research is going, I think. Since we already know so much about the above parts of a plant, we're trying to go into the root systems now and trying to understand how plants interact with the microbes that live in the soil. Say there's a way we can just pick out the beneficial bacteria. If we know the good bacteria and if we know the bad guys, we can take measures to take away the bad guys and keep the good guys. So this, in the end, is going to help plants grow. And then we as biologists figuring out what these microbes, these pathogens do, it's a global effort. And you can't just think for yourself in your own spot, at your own university, in your own country. I would say that I'm privileged to be here at UNL, at an institute that provides me with state-of-the-art technology. Not even state-of-the-art, but I would say some of the facilities we have are unmatched nationwide or even worldwide. To me, it is very rewarding to be at the literal forefront of human knowledge. Everything I try to do every day is unique. No one has tried this before. No one has tried to look so deeply at the microbial networks. Right now, what we do in the field is we just observe. We see what's going on. We try to figure out the processes in the soil, what microbes live there, and eventually what they do to the plant. So I can't tell you that we're going to save the world tomorrow. We're not, but we're working on it. Because this information about the soil microbiomes is certainly going to be very useful for agriculture. And I think now is an exciting time to do this. I think we live in a new age of discovery because only now we have the right technology to study the soil ecosystems and way more. If you look into the future, it's going to be so exciting to just study all of that, to study the universe in which we were born. And I think this is very inspiring for me, and it's what motivates me every day to do this work. I like to think about science as a way of saving the world.